Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix something went wrong error on Messenger. First of all, force close Messenger by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. Then reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches. Then go ahead and toggle the airplane mode on and wait for 10 to 15 seconds before turning it off. After that, log out and back in. Go to your app store, search for Messenger app, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then go ahead and then safety tip: avoid tapping suspicious links that cause this error, and quick fix: switch to mobile data. And that's it.